wish I'd met you when I was 17.